tell the device, I'm looking for gold only. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Today I have Revealer Plus. It is a Canadian device, and I am going to demonstrate in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, how to activate the dog mode in this device. Please follow me. I have 4 different metals over here. I have iron rod, I have a plate of copper, and gold bangle. The device is on, as you can see, but I am going to confirm. First of all, gold, clear sound, clear detection. Iron rod, same. Copper, copper. Now I'm going to activate the dog mode, and I'm going to tell the device I'm looking for gold only. I don't need the rest, the other metals, only gold. So you are going to press this button again. When it turns blue, this is the gold. After swapping the metals around the coil multiple times, now the device recognizes that you are looking for this gold. Gold, iron, gold, gold, copper, gold, copper. Do it 1,000 times. The device is going to give you only warning on gold. This is the dog mode in Revealer Plus. For more information about this device, our contact number in WhatsApp is 00971 564 669 803.